Meaning of factional.
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 Factional. Factional refers to the presence of or relating to factions, which are small groups within a larger organization or community that hold different opinions and goals. Factional disputes and conflicts can arise when these groups compete for power or influence. This can lead to a lack of unity and cooperation within the organization or community, as well as potential harm to its overall goals and mission. Therefore, it is important to manage factionalism effectively by promoting communication, transparency, and compromise, in order to maintain a cohesive and functioning system.